Come test drive the 2019 Ford Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preference of its drivers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, security system, child safety locks, power door locks, CD player, MP3 player, passenger airbag. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.